How to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, if you want to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once, there are two ways. One is the official way, one is the unofficial way. And from the official standpoint view, Instagram does not allow you just to unfollow more than one people at the same time. So when you open up Instagram and then you go to your profile page, you go to your following tab, and here you'll be able to see all of the list of people who are currently you're following them. In order to unfollow either of these, you just need to tap on the following button to unfollow and unfollow them manually. But as you can see, we do not have the option to unfollow all of them one after another. Now there are third-party apps and plugins that does help you with this. So in this case, you can open up your Play Store, and in the search box you can just type in unfollower Instagram. So once you go ahead and select unfollow app for Instagram, you'll be able to see multiple types of apps, and there are lots of ones that you can use, but I personally wouldn't recommend them because they are simply not safe. Once I got my account suspended after I used a specific app to unfollow everybody. There are also some of the other plugins and services that does help you with it, but I would always recommend you to just do it in the official way and not a third-party way, because there is a high risk. Plus, if you have a very professional account, you could have a high risk of getting your account banned. Hope this video cleared the confusion for you. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.